Carbonara is a proof that Italians know how to turn simple ingredients into pure magic. Today we are making spaghetti carbonara the Roman way, with a smoky pancetta, sharp pecorino romano, and eggs that come together into the creamiest no-cream sauce you've ever tasted. Finally, grate 100 grams of pecorino romano and crack 3 whole eggs plus 1 yolk into a bowl. Using the whisk or fork, combine them with a generous twist of black pepper. This mixture will become our creamy but no cream sauce. After that, we're gonna slice 150 grams of pancetta. Before cooking, don't forget to warm your titanium pan over medium-low heat and spread a teaspoon of oil evenly across the surface for like 2 or 3 minutes. That activates the slip scale pattern, and with continued use, as I mentioned before, it naturally reseasons over time, so it's gonna be better and better. Add the pancetta and let it tender slowly until golden and crisp. And the fat releases evenly without sticking or burning. The fat is the flavor, it's the secret. We'll need every drop to create that classic smoke profile. Add spaghetti to salted water. Remember, water should taste like the sea. Titanium keeps the ball steady and locks in more nutrients while the pasta cooks. Make sure it's al dente and save a mug of that perfect starchy pasta water. It's the secret to thickening our sauce later. And lastly, twirl the carbonara onto your serving plate, shower with more grated pecorino romano, and crack fresh pepper on top. This is real Italian carbonara, bellissima, silky and satisfying in less than 20 minutes. Authentic flavor, minimal effort, and tools that lock in nutrients and keep cooking clean? That's the best pasta recipe made with easy Taima cooking tools. If you're ready to master this Italian classic, find titanium tools designed for healthier and easier cooking at taimatitanium.com.